It wasn't too long ago. There was a time when soil wasn't just the foundation for crops, but also served as a healer. It was used in various remedies. With its unique composition of minerals, organic matter, phosphorus, potassium, microorganisms, and many other elements, it worked like a miracle. But today, that miracle seems to be fading away from the soil. Soil erosion, declining fertility, the loss of essential microorganisms, and much more is happening. But the time to act is now. With the right approach of measure, monitor, and manage, we can restore the health of our soil. And in this mission, Rallis India Limited is playing its part through products like Geogreen, Ralligold, and Consorich. Geogreen restores organic carbon to the soil and balances its pH. Ralligold improves soil structure. Consorich enhances the availability of essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese. These products would help in reviving the health of our soil. Because the health of the soil is the health of our future. Save the soil, save life.